so badly. You make me happy. Will you marry me, baby?
Whatever you do, believe in you. Don't let nobody tell you what you can do.
Yeah. People often cross the line.
Me not stop trying until me get that line.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, you're the man of peace. We say give thanks to life, health and strength. Give thanks to another day, you know. Sunday morning, we say give thanks to life, and I big up the church people, big up, I don't know, everybody. Life are the greatest gift, and you don't know. Nothing is possible without God, for our Father God, you know. Yeah, man. I will tell you them to stop the crime and violence, you know, the man of peace. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, in this vlog, I don't know, just an update, you know, if you always tell the youth them, say, yo, love badness, you know, because badness are jailous and deadhouse, you know, so. You see me, one of Westmoreland most wanted has been taken up by the police, them, and then the police them celebrate. You see me? I'm going to also hear one of the police them attack the commissioner. And also, a man taken out on his way to school. Drop him stepdaughter to school, 5-year-old, you know. Rej0 star, how traumatizing that is. You see it? Yeah, so we also have every day I tell the artists them say, yo, save on the money. Save on the money for a rainy day. Drop the bag of entourage.
I watch them on the German represent for Linefoot TV. Yeah, Rej0. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Linefoot, Patriots out there.
Killing off Westmoreland's most wanted. Dubbed as big win for the JCF. You see it? Rej0 star. Police them a celebrate. But anyway, here are the police them say.
Westmoreland's most wanted man, Carlington Tommy Godfrey, is now dead. Carlington Godfrey has been the feature of numerous targeted operations within the Westmoreland division for a number of years. He's wanted for murders, shootings, robberies, rapes, and numerous other criminal activities within the parish, and has been featured on the JCF's Wanted Wednesdays campaign for a number of weeks and even months. Based on the information that we received sometime after 8 a.m. this morning, a police team went to a location where he was targeted, and he engaged the law enforcement officers in a gunfight. During the firefight, he was shot and injured and subsequently taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. An officer who was on the operation was also shot and injured. He's also receiving treatment at hospital. Now, this operation, we consider it a successful operation, as Godfrey has been wreaking havoc in the parish of Westmoreland, particularly the Frome and Grangeville areas, where he has been featured in a number of violent incidents, including shooting at the police. The success of this morning's operation is a testament to the fact that criminals are not welcomed in Westmoreland or anywhere in Area 1. This is a big win not only for the parish of Westmoreland, but also for the entire area, that is Area 1, where he has been a main feature of numerous operations. We continue to urge citizens to support the police, to work closer with the police, and to provide information about criminals and criminal suspects operating within their area.
Yes, man. So basically, the police them is asking you to become an informer, give information. That is up to your choice, you know what I mean? But main thing with me, I say, badness no pay. You see me? You might become a dan or a leader of your gang in a community or anywhere at all, and you last for a while, you know, until the time comes. You see that the police them get you out, or your enemies them, or you end up in a prison jail also. My advice to the youth them is to stop the crime, you know. Stop the crime, because badness no pay. Badness no pay, you know. know that. So youth, stop the crime, please, please, please. Yes, man, think twice before you make that choice. Think before you act. Yes, what I say? I just want to send condolences to the families after the deceased man, you know what I mean? Yeah, may his soul rest in peace. That's how you go, you know? Next now I saw this in the paper, man taking out after dropping off his stepdaughter to school. I'm not telling you, say, it make me feel traumatized. Say, can you imagine the little 5-year-old, if she did witness it, or the teachers, them or anybody at all? Sad. You see me? Man shot that after taking his stepdaughter to school. Jerome Lambert, 27, was shot. I don't know, the AD after dropping off his 5-year-old stepdaughter at Christiana's Moravian Primary School Friday morning. Viewers and subscribers, how sad that is, man, Jano. So, after I'm drop off the little girl at school, his stepdaughter, there comes Mr. Trouble, Mr. Death. You know, I don't know what happened, what went down, why, but you see me, just bring across the news because I know I'm the man of peace. You see me? I don't know if the biological father do it or what jealousy or war enemies or what, I don't know. But I just say it's sad, you know. I want to send my sincere condolence to the family and I mean loved ones them of the man. You see what I say? Yeah man, Christiana, Jano Star. Crime and violence in Jamaica, I tell you, nah done it, nah hands, rise. You have to just be careful out there, you know. And again, think twice before you make that choice, before you squeeze the trigger. That's it. Yes man, moving on now, last but not least, you have everyday artist management promoter / everyday, you know what I mean? I tell the artists them say, yo, save no money, rainy day, and stop work with the bag of entourage. You see, so I'm going to run piece of the article and hear what go on. Popular artist manager everyday is imploring artists to cut down on the number of people they often parade in their entourages in order to save more for rainy days. So people in the hear every day I say, you will basically tell the artists and say, yo, cut down on the bag of man when having on the crew and 100 man I walk behind and go in and lick and you know whatever. Cut down, you know, to save more for rainy days. Cause you don't know when things are gonna go bad, you know what I mean? We see what happened to Stitchy. I don't know, we pray for Stitchy, speedy recovery, but Stitchy currently have a GoFundMe. We are going to try to raise some money to put towards his health, you know what I mean, to recover from that stroke, brain hemorrhage, you see me? But yeah, everyday access to a factual thing, but I don't know, each to their own. Maybe some artists can afford to have the entourage, you know what I mean, and some just do if you have the support, you know what I mean, if you accompany them out there on the street to protect them, help motivate them, and you have some people around them help to motivate, to write songs, ideas, creativity, you know. But I understand that every day I say the 100 man behind the artist, again, that is the artist's decision. If you want to have 150 man, you know, 10 man, 20 men and women behind them in the entourage. But as me say, some artists can afford to do it still, but I understand that every day I say. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. That's it. Yeah man, big up on yourself, Lion Foot, the man of peace. And remember, we are going to stop the crime. Blessed love.